Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was down 2.1% today. Red shirt day, sort of a green shirt day for us in our models in the sense that we're out of the market. We got the T-bills, the ultra short-term bonds, and the piece that we do have in the market is the inverse that goes the opposite direction. So actually made money in the models today. Interesting day. Theoretically, it should have been an up day. The market's been looking at the election. Market generally likes a bifurcated White House and Congress spread over two different parties. We don't know the ultimate results yet, but it is leaning that way. And so you'd think the market would be happy about that and moving up as it has in the past. And here we are, with a pretty big size downturn. And that's really because there's a lot of other things that are happening in general right now, with the pandemic closing down things in China and the war in Ukraine and the high inflation, the aggressive Federal Reserve and all of these things. I don't think that the bifurcated Congress, White House really raises to the level where it would outdo some of those other things. And so that's part of it. But then we're starting to see some more cracks in the cryptocurrency arena. We've been looking for something to possibly fall. When you do what's happening right now, the world gets under pressure. We're withdrawing liquidity, money supplies coming down, and things can start to fall apart like we saw in 2008 with the Lehman Brothers. And yesterday we saw some interesting things happen. FTX has a cryptocurrency called FTT. A lot of it is owned by another large exchange called Binance. They started to sell that and announced that they were selling. It kind of created a run on the bank. FTX really got in trouble. And then Binance came in and said they would buy it. So we had a 2% drop in the market yesterday. And then it recovered after they said they would buy it. Well, today they backed off on that offer to buy after getting to look at basically the balance sheet for FTX. And so Bitcoin has been at a free fall. It fell 10% yesterday. It's down 15% as we speak right now. And so obviously there's some impact here, I think, in relationship between what's happening in the cryptocurrency arena and what is happening in, the stock market. So again, things under pressure here. Maybe this is what it is. Maybe not. We saw England teeter and create problems. The market dropped during that time, and then they solidified and moved up. So maybe that happens here with the cryptocurrency market also. But very interesting time to be watching what's happening here. I think it's a good time to be very, aggressively conservative because of all these things that can happen. We also have the CPI report coming out tomorrow. They'll show inflation results. I think it probably comes out a little bit higher than people think it's going to be on an expectation basis, which might not be a big deal normally, but I think the market's in sort of a negative mood right now, especially after this move. It seems like the cryptocurrency thing hasn't resolved itself, so that could continue. So it'd be very interesting to see what happens tomorrow as far as that goes. So look forward to talking to you then, and we will see, how this all plays out. Thank you.